Hey guys, sorry this one's late. It's going to be a Friday episode and I have a viewer request for analysis, so that's what I'm going to do. This one is, this one's from Tammi. She wanted to hear my thoughts on a story that she's working on. So the opening paragraph is here. Belmont City is not the kind of place where you would expect a lot of crime. It is a quiet, lazy town situated on the banks of the meandering Wataskogie River. Middle-class residential neighborhoods and a small but bustling downtown core are all supported by the outlying agricultural sector. The wide river valley provides jobs and modest incomes thanks to its fertile, rich brown soil. Many of its residents are descendants of families that have lived in the area for many generations. It's the kind of town where everyone knows everyone else. Children are allowed to play outside without the suffocating supervision of helicopter parents that you see in more suburban regions. The peaceful surroundings and the close-knit church-going people are what makes the Thompson incident all the more disturbing. Okay, I see the hook you're going for here, and two things jump out at me. First, this particular hook works better if you can do it in the first sentence rather than entirely at the end of the paragraph. And honestly, I think you probably can compress everything you're delivering here in this paragraph. You could probably compress it into one sentence and deliver that. And that's why this incident was so disturbing at the end of your very first sentence. But something else jumps out at me a little bit more, so, and that is that you're writing this in present tense. Now, this is personal opinion. If present tense is is the style you're going for, sweet. I've always found it to be a little bit clunky to work with and clunky to read personally. I prefer to work in past tense. And one of the reasons I find it clunky is what's going here is that in some cases this sounds like a story that's being told about something that happened, yet the tense doesn't support that. You know, it's like you're telling you're telling a story about a thing that happened, but you're telling it as if the thing is happening, and that's what always catches me. It's really hard not to do that when you're writing. If you're going to write in present tense, you have to keep your story fully in present tense. And here, it's not bad. You know, you're not really doing anything that straight up sounds like past tense, but particularly that last bit where it says the peaceful surroundings and the close-knit church-going people are what makes the Thompson incident all the more disturbing. It sounds like the narrator already knows what the Thompson incident is, and therefore it's something that's already happened, and yet the paragraph is presented in present tense. Maybe it's just me. When it comes to stylistic choices, that really is a matter of opinion, and you can deliver on whatever style you want to write. Some people have managed really good stories in first person, second person, third person, past tense, present tense. I think I even read something in future tense, which was bizarre, but you know, it kind of works. That's my thoughts on this particular opening paragraph. I hope that's helpful to you. I'm going to get back with more videos starting on Monday. Hopefully I'm going to have my book finished this weekend. Alright guys, keep writing, hope everybody's well, and cheers.